Welcome back guys to Skills Academy. In this video I am going to show you how to use Humata AI, which is a PDF chatbot tutorial. Humata is a chatbot designed to answer any questions about your PDF documents. It's like ChatGPT but tailored specifically for working with PDFs, teachers, researchers, and college students to find it particularly useful. Let's go through the steps of signing up and using Humata. To get started, visit Humata's website at humata.ai. Click on the sign up button at the top of your screen. If you already have an account, click login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will see the simple interface of Humata. Drag and drop the PDF file you want to ask questions about. It takes a few moments for Humata AI to analyze the PDF file. Once the file is loaded, you can click the Ask button on the right side to start asking questions. You will see the PDF on the right side and can input questions on the left. Click the arrow to ask Humata for an answer. And that's it, as simple as that. Humata comes in two versions, Free and Pro. The free version allows up to 60 pages per month. The Pro version costs $14.99 per month, offering 2,500 pages with extra pages costing an additional cent. Also, the Pro version includes a multi-file question and answers features to simultaneous work on multiple documents. Choosing between versions depends on your needs and budget. If you require in-depth analysis, detailed reports, or content creation, the Pro version is recommended. For simple questions or general overviews, the free version might suffice. Humata is highlighted as one of the most useful AI tools. Effective use involves asking relevant questions and avoiding common mistakes discussed in a previous video. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.